In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Shopify payments for non-US citizens without needing a social security number. This guide is especially useful if you're based outside the United States, but still want to leverage the powerful Shopify platform to manage your online store effectively. We'll walk through this process step by step, ensuring that it's as straightforward and clear as possible. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Shopify account. Once you're in, navigate to the main dashboard and look for the option labeled My Store. This is your go-to section for all store-related configurations and settings. Next, direct yourself to the Settings menu found at the bottom left of your screen. From there, click on Payments, your gateway to managing the various payment providers and methods available to your store. This section is crucial because it determines how customers from across the globe will pay for their purchases, making it essential for the smooth operation of your e-commerce business. Once you're on the Payments page, look for the Add Payment Method button and click on it. This will bring up a list of various payment options that you can integrate into your store. Here, you might notice a myriad of choices, but for our needs today, we're going to focus specifically on PayPal. In the search bar that appears, type in PayPal. PayPal is one of the most widely recognized and trusted payment gateways around the globe, and importantly for non-US residents, it doesn't require a social security number for registration. Therefore, it serves as a fantastic option for bypassing the SSN requirement that is often encountered with other methods. After you type PayPal and select it from the options, you'll need to click on it to initiate the integration process. This step is straightforward, and the Shopify will guide you through the necessary setup, which typically involves logging into your existing PayPal account or creating a new one if needed. Once PayPal is added, it will be available for customers at checkout, giving your store an international edge while complying with regional regulations. This added flexibility not only enhances the customer experience by offering a reliable payment option, but also ensures that you maximize sales opportunities without unnecessary hurdles. And there you have it. You've successfully activated Shopify payments using PayPal without needing a social security number. I hope this guide has been clear and helpful. By following these steps, you can focus on building and expanding your business, reaching a broader customer base with ease and efficiency. Thank you for following along. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out below. Good luck with your Shopify journey and happy selling.